Hey, we're here. Headquarters. And I brought gifts. I brought stuff to leave here. Brought some stuff. Let me get it out of the truck here. And we'll take it inside and show it to the guys. See what they think. Okay? Let's go. Let me in. Oh, nice sticker on the door. You guys are so official.
Yeah. It's not really centered though. Right there in the merch room. Man, we need to refill some shirts.
Better than the bathroom. It's so dark. Oh yeah, it smells like success in here. Nice rack. Look at that.
Brett does have a nice rack, doesn't he?
It's a nice rack. Brett, nice rack. You did good.
Thank you.
Brett put those together. You did a really good job.
Myself.
They look good. It looks like Costco in here. All these pallets, except it smells like success, if you know what I mean. Smells like Fert.
See, if you would have brought a sticker, you could have put your sticker on the forklift.
I have extra stickers here.
All right,
No, you don't.
I'll find them.
Okay, yeah. Hey Al, what's this thing run on?
It runs on propane, Bobby.
Can I drive it?
No.
Oh, okay. It's time to give you guys the things that I brought. I brought some things.
You brought some things?
Yeah. Brought some things. Thing number 1 is in this box right here. Here you go. Do you want to open it?
Yeah, I want to open it.
It's like Christmas.
Hold it for me. I guess you can hold that so I don't cut my fingers off. Always use a knife towards yourself, especially towards your junk, like that. That's the safest way to do it. All right. Here we go. Ready? Whoosh. Oh yeah! Cherish each moment. That's gonna be awesome. We should let you pick where you want to put it, since you're here.
About right on the front door.
Right on the front door.
Well, when you put it that way, no.
You asked. And then, last but not least, hats for
Hey,
for
look
your
at
dome.
that.
You need some new
For your
hats.
dome.
Yes, I have a very strong hat game. This will do very nice. It's a Richardson,
That's a
high
Richardson
quality.
hat.
Yep. Richardson 112.
Very high quality. We like that.
Only the best.
Only the best. Let's see it. Ooh, look at that sunlight. Look at that sunlight. Right.
I got.
Guess who went fishing today?
Can't say that I didn't
That
warn
guy
you.
went fishing today.
I tell everybody, put sunblock on, put sunblock on. So I even say it's going to
Man.
reflect off the water. It's going to burn your face. I try to tell
Man,
you
those
guys.
hats look good.
They do look good.
Good looking hat, Jimmy.
Thank you.
This banner,
That's a high quality banner.
Long may it wave.
we're going to wrap some fish in that.
So you want to know what Brett does all day? All right, guys, this is how you buy a reel mower from an auction. All right, guys, it's gone up $100. Got to put in my max bid.
Hey Brett, the UPS guy's waiting out there. He's been waiting for like 20 minutes. Can you please help him load up the packages?
I'm making a video.
I know, but you know, we got packages to get out.
Okay, give me 5 minutes.
Okay.
Went up another $50. Check.
Can you hear yourself?
Yeah, and I don't get... Oh, now here we go.
See? It's so funny they all do that. You start hearing that music, and then... That's all they get.
We're live.
See?
All right,
in
it's WXRK.
Right?
From sunny Florida.
Rock 94.9.
Hold on, wait. You might as well record it if you're going to do it.
From sunny Florida. This
Come on, do
is...
it.
What's your podcast called? I can only think of mine
Lawns
now.
across America.
This is Lawns Across America.
Starring Mr. Alan Hain, the lawn care nut.
You heard him.
It's so funny when that...
This is not Alan Hain. This is Jimmy Lewis. I have my own podcast now. It's called the Cherish Each Moment podcast.
Tell them what it's
Available on
on.
all major podcast platforms and YouTube. Has its own YouTube channel because it's that good. So make sure you go on over there and subscribe and follow along on all your favorite podcast platforms. And I'll catch you guys over there.
What days does
See
it come
ya.
out? What days does it come out? Yeah, right? See?
He's just bragging out.
That's so fun.
Isn't it?
Well, there she goes. That was cool to see the office and the warehouse and where all the magic happens. And to leave some stuff here that I don't need to take back home with me. So that's going to go ahead and do it for this one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.